Those with birthdays on this day are considerably more aggressive than most other Cancer Sun natives. Even so, a wonderful sense of fun permeates every area of your lives. Moreover, you are able to laugh at yourself if the joke happens to be on you, a trait that is extremely unusual among proud, sensitive crab. Motivated and enterprising, you eagerly latch onto every opportunity to further your plans and ambitions. Security may be important to you, but you are adventurous enough to take a calculated risk. Creative, capable, intuitive, insightful, and hard-working, the typical individual born on this day can make his or her mark in virtually any field. However, many born under this combination find their career niche in business or the arts. Not surprisingly, you have an extremely fertile imagination and a gift for mixing your artistic talent with commercial savvy. Your public persona is confident, genial, and outgoing, but behind the scenes, you tend to be rather moody or insecure. Although you try to hide your true feelings behind a mask of indifference, you are determined to make it in the world. Your emotional life resembles a roller coaster. In intimate relationship, you are likely to be quiet and understanding one minute and passionately explosive and demanding the next. Yet you are protective of your loved ones and quick to leap to their defense if anyone else should make the mistake of calling them to task.